What's the point of getting rid of all the distractions at home if I have to do my learning here?
Oh, I'll wax the upstairs and I'll wax the downstairs and I'll get drunk in the library.
Willie! Do you have to wax this floor now?
No, I can come back later.
Oh, should I get the nurse?
Nay, just keep studying. I'll scream this out. Oh.